They drag that from there, the backyard. Eb.
Epic wants to grow a tree.
Huh?
Epic wants to grow a tree.
No, it's not gonna grow, baby. It's don't have roots. It's gonna die. That's
Tree.
a tree.
Hi,
Silly. Baba. Eva, that's not. Go put it back, please. That's already cut. Oh, come on na. Oh, be careful, ha. You're gonna hurt somebody there. Ala, you're so dirty na. What is that? Come on, baby. Put it back. Come on, put it back. Live na lang ako kasi I don't have memory. I need to delete videos and photos again. Come on, Baba. Come here. Look at your face, Baba. Oh, you're putting a lot on.
I want to have a nice dad.
Huh?
I want to have a nice dad.
What's nice that? That's an anak. Be careful, ha. There's a... That's the one I cut, babe, last time, right? Put it back there, baby. Put it back. Just a stick, not the whole thing. You drag the whole thing in here, which is not... Oh, see? It's... No. Put it back. Come on, put it back. Come on. Please, put it back. Effa, no! No, there's no space on that. Effa, no. Please, no, baby. So, where that is gonna be parking? Huh? Sige, put it there. See? No, just put it here. Oh, here. In here, in the space in here. Effa. You're being, both of you is hard-headed. This is not a toy. Just a stick. There's a lot of a stick in there. I need to burn this soon. Okay. What? I want cookies? Effa, no! No, baby, no! Sige, no. Put it back, please. Put it back one. Ay. You're putting a lot. That's too big. What is that, Eb? You want some Oreo? Want some Oreo? Huh? What's that? What's your eyes? Come on. Square. It's not a square. Baba, come here. Where are you? Oh, your eyes, ano? I'm gonna bait you. I'm gonna bait you on Friday, Baba. Silly. Diba? Ate, pretty, babe. Pretty ka, pretty. Pretty mo na, baby. Ay ka, pretty. I want some this one. Okay. Say bye. Say bye-bye na. Bye. Happy. Today's Tuesday, right? I don't know. It's still Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday. Around 2:39 p.m. here. Baby, Bye-bye, baby. Don't do that to Baba.